say Poma. You say Pan. Poma Pan. Poma Pan.
But try as they might, they could never come between him and
my god,
mom.
is that Elvis?
She is so cool.
Oh my god.
It's because of her. My sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him.
He's kind of cute, but it looked even cuter without a body.
What did he say?
Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo...
Oh my god, you guys don't complain about my ginormous fat butt either!
So sad. I think I'd seriously
Oh my god, you guys are
forever.
my Nick.
Oh no, I'm totally late.
Crotch up. She's like a Beyblade! She's a Beyblade! Nice, nice, nice. Okay, then we're vibing. Okay, let's do this. Oops, I'm stupid. What? Oh, it tells me what to do. If I just listen, it's almost like it's gonna teach me everything and it's gonna be a tutorial. I forgot that old games did this. Old games actually helped you play the game, and new games don't.
It sucks when things explode.
Oh, I can't get that guy? No, I don't. Oh, I can only knock them out that way. That doesn't actually kill them. Okay, that's good to know. Why am I keep doing that button? Oh, and then they come down. Look down! Oh my god, I love when their heads come off! Saving them. I just want to kill things. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Killing, like, saving people is, like, last on my mind. And I also like some shiny stuff. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you! Why would you hit me? Sorry, what? Sorry, what?
Glad to save somebody's life.
Oh, yeah, Juliet. I feel so good when I save people. I tingle and feel so happy. It's not because I'm killing things. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, they're hurting him. They're hurting him. Okay, okay, okay. Was that my reflection too? Okay. Oh my god, I love old games.
Hold on, it's too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Oh, they're gonna die. Well, skill diff.
Oh shit! Tell my wife Jesus God! Get off me, you bastard!
Oh no!
Oh shit!
He crashed over by the
Tell
school
my
and is
wife
probably dead!
Am I supposed to go and see?
Okay.
Second five. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Okay, so would I do awesome skills or a health upgrade? Okay, I'm good. Now I can put the music back on. Sorry, I was suppressing your guys' ability to listen to great music. Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lolly. Why am I messing up? Okay, I'm gonna try my thing first. So, A. So it's A, X, 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 X. Oh! Okay. Okay. A, X, 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 X. A, X, 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 X. A, X, 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 X. Oh, I have like a cooldown on it. Okay, A, X, 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 A, X, 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 X. There, okay, there is a cooldown. What was the Y one? I pressed Y. Okay. Did you just say that he wants to fuck my father? I'm sorry, did I hear that right? I mean, I would appreciate if the zombie didn't fuck my father, but like to each their own. My dad can have his own life. I don't really care. Like, I'm not gonna judge what my dad does. I mean, he's already in prison. Like, I don't. The dopamine I get when it does that. Okay. Yeah! Shiny, 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 shiny! Explosion, 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 explosion.
Decontaminate! Decontaminate!
I am decontaminated, actually.
It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Where's Nick? Where's my husbando?
Juliet!
Oh my god! It's Nick! It's chat! It's you guys! The Pom Squad!
So hungry.
How did he survive the entire time? Favorite food, California roll. Oh, didn't get to read the rest. How did he survive without her for so long?
Are you okay, Juliet?
No, Pom Squad!
Are you?
No! Nick!
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean? Huh.
Oh no. It
God,
can't
she's
be.
so cute. She's so
I
fucking
feel
cute.
it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet.
I mean, you kind of
I
are.
wanna fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about
You're
that.
kind of fucking up her
That's
birthday.
the dumbest
not
thing
gonna lie.
ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted
Nick
you
kind
to
of has
know.
fangs like me too.
I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick loves us? Nick loves us! No, Nick! Well, that was a fun playthrough.
Oh. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie.
He feels
Not at
good! He
all.
feels great!
What? Oh no.
I had to.
How?
Fuck!
I'm not gonna think about science, okay?
Where's my fucking body? Oh, fuck!
This is...
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive?
Okay, that's what
How
I'm
am I
asking
still
too.
talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Is that... You can still
Juliet?
talk. Have you not seen
How?
Warm Bodies?
How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
Well, there's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda
I relate, Juliet.
I
relate.
What? Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Come here to kill us now!
Juliet!
I'm
Juliet!
a zombie hunter.
What?
Wait, so there's other zombies there? Oh, nice, 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 nice.
Don't hate me.
Dude, I love Juliet. Oh my god. I knew I was gonna like her, but I had no idea about her personality, and I love her so much. Holy shit.
Pick up some antacid.
Lollipop. Bum 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 bum. Sorry. Okay. Dude! Oh my god! He's dying! He's dying! Oh, thank god there's no friendly fire. I was worried about about that for a second. Woo! Sparkly! Nice. I thought they were yours. Doubling! Beep 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 beep. Murder! So much fun. Why can I control the camera angles now? I'm so confused.
I fucked up my path test.
What reward? Poor Nick probably has
it's Mr.
motion
Fitzgibbon again.
sickness. Why is he glowing?
He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
Okay, I mean, I was gonna do it regardless, but that does give me a bit more motivation. Oh, sorry. I need to dodge, maybe. Maybe I need to get better. Maybe I need to be better. Maybe it's a skill dip and I'm the problem. It's me. I'm the problem. It's me. Me. Okay. It's just like I just dodged the thing. Okay. See, I got better. I figured it out. Whoa, what's going on? Why can't I move? Why can't I attack? Bye! Bye! Zombies, taste my chainsaw death! Zombies, go and die! Why? How did that zombie get explode? Oh.
It's not funny, Ed.